Good morning, students. I welcome you for the biology class. So today we'll discuss about the next phylum, mollusca, echinodermata, and about chordata. So coming to phylum mollusca. So these are very much soft-bodied animals. Coming to its level of organization, they do have organ grade of organization, and they are triploblastic. They exhibit bilateral symmetry. And coming to segmentation, they have very much little segmentation on their body, and the coelom is present but it is reduced. Coming to examples, snails, unio, octopus, chiton, etc. Coming to its characteristics, the body is divided into head, visceral mass, and muscular foot. Some of the molluscans have external shell-like, which is very hard, that of like whatever we see in case of snails. And some they do have an internal reduced shell like that we see in case of octopus. It's the second largest group of animals. They are mostly aquatic in nature, so living in seawater, and some they do live in fresh water. They're very soft, unsegmented animals. Exoskeleton is mainly made up of CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Respiration is by means of gills. Circulatory system is of open type. Blood contains a blue color pigment that is called hemocyanin. Excretion is by means of pair of kidneys. Sexes are separate, so sexual dimorphism has been seen. So these are the examples of molluscans. So octopus, unio, chiton, pila. Coming to the next phylum, echinodermata. Coming to echinodermata, so they do have organ grade of organization, and they are triploblastic. They exhibit bilateral symmetry. So bilateral symmetry, it's mainly in the larval stages. So when they reach the adult stage, they do exhibit radial symmetry. And there is no segmentation on the body. They do have a true body cavity. So coelom is present. They are coelomates. Coming to the example, starfish, sea cucumber, etc. So let us study about the characteristics. They have a spiny dermis which is made up of CaCO3. They have a vascular system which helps in feeding and for locomotion. They are exclusively marine animals. Digestive system is complete. Respiration takes place by means of gills or tube feet. Reproduction is mainly by asexual, sexual, or by regeneration. So again, they exhibit sexual dimorphism. So echinodermata, they do have some tiny spines on their body. So these are the examples: sea cucumber, brittle star, sea star, feather star, and sea urchin. So all this comes under echinodermata. So next we'll study about phylum Hemichordata. So before going to chordata, we'll study about Hemichordata, which forms a linking between non-chordates and chordates. So students, you have to practice the diagram of Berenoglasses. So Berenoglasses comes under Hemichordata. So let us study about the general features of Hemichordata. They exhibit bilateral symmetrical, and they are triploblastic animals. They're exclusively marine. They can be solitary, or they exhibit in colonies. They have a true body cavity that is coelom. The digestive tract is complete with the anus and can be in the form of U shape or it can be straight. Body is divided into three regions: proboscis, collar, trunk. Circulatory system is of open type. Respiration occurs through gills. Proboscis has a glomerulus, so that is act as an excretory organ. And the nervous system is very much primitive. It is not very much advanced. So it's found only in the proboscis region. The sexes are separate or it can be united. Reproduction is mainly by means of sexual means. Fertilization is external. Development is mostly indirect, but a few species exhibit a direct development. Coming to the next, phylum Chordata. All chordate possess the following features: they have notochord, they have dorsal nerve cord, they are triploblastic in nature, and they have paired gill pouches, and they are coelomates. Coming to notochord. So, what is a notochord? It's a longitudinal rod that is made up of cartilage and which runs between the nerve cord and the digestive tract. Its main function is to support the nerve cord. In vertebrate animals, the vertebral column replaces the notochord. Coming to dorsal nerve cord. It's a bundle of nerve fibers which connects brain to the muscles and other organs. Post-anal tail. This is an extension of the body beyond the anus. In some chordates, the tail have skeletal muscles which helps in locomotion. Pharyngeal slits. So these are openings which connect the mouth and the throat. These openings allow the entry of water through the mouth without entering the digestive system. So you can see here. So this is a notochord, and this orange color will be the dorsal hollow nerve cord, and this is the post anal tail, and this will be the pharyngeal slits. Thank you, students. We'll discuss about the chordates in the next class.